So I was about to go out and do an exploring video until the weather turned into bullshit. Now, I don't understand what the deal is here. I've heard somewhere that if there's like 1 month of a year in Tokyo where it just rains. That's all it does. I need somebody to confirm this. Is this true? Anyway, I wanted to go through and talk about some of my favorite t-shirts. They just opened up a Uniqlo in my area, and I've been buying a bunch of cool t-shirts. They have tons of cool stuff. So, check them out.
Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. 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 Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor. Hey boy, watch me move and shake it. Cross the dance floor.
Okay, also in Akihabara, I picked up something that reminds me of this thing here. I wanted in a little UFO machine, and it sort of reminds me of this one character I used to know on Aqua Teen Hunger Force. His name was Boxy Brown.
I ain't hearing that, see. You asking or you telling? Cause nobody tells Boxy Brown.
Okay, so he's just a cheap imitation of Boxy Brown. It's nothing particularly special, just some plushie.
Just a what, bitch?
Okay. I mean, you're part of Niku Niku Doga. I mean, several Japanese people watch that. I mean, you're the man, Boxy Brown.
Yeah.
So what's the deal with this t-shirt here? This is a t-shirt of one of my favorite bands, The Residents. Isn't it like some red eyeball guy that's famous here in Japan? I've seen, it's like an anime series or something. Please tell me.
And I left my heart